Aloha, welcome to True Surf today. No surf in Hawaii, so gotta play the game. Yeah, first of all, use my frequent flyer points and let's go. Daily Wave Hunter, let's pick Pipeline. Pipeline, I guess, is the best today. So I'll just choose a Sci-Fi 6.2 first. Let's try it out. Kelly Slater's boards here. Let's see what Pipe got. I'll activate that one. Taking off on my first right, couple nice cutback, tail slides. Oh, that was it. It's kind of windy right now in Hawaii, so, getting blown off. Yeah, I just like to use this Wave Hunter, get some free clams. Every time you use Wave Hunter, you get free clams. So they're taking off again, backdoor action. Oh, he split the peak. He went to Pipe. Surf the left. Again, wind's blowing me off. Not as good as it looks today. I can't seem to figure it out. Try switch boards. Paizel goes 6.2. A lot of balance. Let's try this out. Backside. Small on inside. Upper air reverse. There you go. Hit that whitewash. Just waiting out there for another wave, I guess this turd set in the back. Taking off again. Oh, trying to go Pipe. Nothing's opening up. Nothing's opening up today. Oh, my sponsor right here, Vitamin Shop. Thank you, Vitamin Shop, again. Yeah, Pipe is not doing so good today. I think I'm gonna go check out, jump on a plane, use that frequent flyer. Purchase your frequent flyer from True Surf. You can fly all over the world to get your surf. I check out Lord Trestles, wanted to surf something small. Trying it out. It's a little flat today, but there's some surf coming in. Here we go, taking off. Ooh. Went from strong North Shore pipeline waves to, not so strong. There you go. Feeling it now. Oh, just can't seem to land that one. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. I'll be posting some True Surf. When there's no surf, there's True Surf. Always there's True Surf. Here we go again, paddling out. Couple cutbacks. 360 reverse. Another one. Ooh, right off the lip. There we go. It's a little cold right now out there. That thick wetsuit on. Another reverse. Nice cutback. Now I'm feeling it. Here we go, taking off. Nice rights today. Oh, try to pull in, nothing. Don't forget, when there's no surf, there's always True Surf. Download that app and you be surfing. Whether you ever surfed or whether you have never surfed, you always have True Surf out there. Here we go. One of my last waves. Trying to figure out when to go back in. Call it a day. Always want the last wave. If you're a true surfer, you always want that last wave. Thank you again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification button. T-Rod 96744. We out.